Hi, welcome to a video tutorial from NYBot. In this video we are going to use this TI-30XS scientific calculator to learn how to define your own constant. This video is part of a full video manual for this calculator. The link to watch that video is below this video in the description. Second function and k here. This is a constant and it brings you the k where let you define a constant. The combination of numbers, operators and or values up to 44 characters can be entered here. When you press enter after the constant is defined, this calculator recalls the stored operator and applies into the last answer or the current entry. So I've pressed already enter. If not, press second function and k and say multiply by 2 plus multiply by, you see multiply came, 2 plus 3 and enter. Now this is there and we can recall it. Now let's enter 6 and enter. So 6, enter, you see it becomes 15. Why? This constant came from this k that we have. So we said that whatever the value is entered, multiply it by this. So we can put very complicated expression here to do it for you. And if I press enter, it is multiplied by the result of 2 plus 3. And the same way we can do sine of 45 and enter. Oh, this is now incorrect. Sine 45 and then close it. Now we get different answer. This time we need to close it. Another problem. Given the linear function y is equal 5x minus 2, calculate y for the x minus 5 and x minus 1. So this is our function and these are the value. Second function k. Second function k. And let's clear it and enter this value. So x 5 minus 2, 5, no, clear, times 5 minus 2 and enter. So 5 minus 2, so whatever is value times 5 minus 2. Now let's use our constant minus 5 and enter. It's minus 27, so minus 5 is our x times 5 minus 2. It's done. And again minus 1, and these two values have been evaluated to be minus 27, and these values have been evaluated to be minus 27 and minus 7. Thank you for watching. This was the tutorial for this TI-30XS scientific calculator. Please thumb up the video, and also if you have comment or question, post it below the video. Share the video, I appreciate it. If you want to purchase this calculator, the affiliated links are below this video. If you purchase it, I will get some commission. It will help me. Thank you.